always been begging me to be on top? She's your younger sister.
I called you all here to tell you that I have decided to increase your house rent.
I've not done that before.
Oh, God, like you like your name. I beg, give me a bottle, my bra.
You want me to stay in this house? When I hate you, I hate you now for me.
Wait. Hold it there. Anytime you come up with this your romantic action, something is involved.
Anyway, I don't care. See, I will not allow you to stay.
You said you guys have been married for 3 years.
Your brain don't get stretched, man.
I gave you 100,000 naira last week for your makeups, and now you are asking me for money again.
You gave me 100k. When was that? No, tell me. When was that? It's 100k compared to what other men spend on their wife. Is it?
Raise voice from you. Woman, they allow you since. Your own wife, they allow you since. They call her baby. You don't feel talk. You don't reach for my thought. They won't go put eye for me.
Every time you wake me up from sleep just to hit me.
Can you just stop?
Are you guys this poor?
So sweet.
Ah!